So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Ford stock, ticker symbol F in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, go into your trading account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're on this screen, go to the discover bar at the top where it says search name, symbol, or service. We're going to go ahead and press on that. Simply to search up ticker symbol F. Right here for Ford. As you can tell, it is actually, under stocks right here. You can go down, or you can just search up Ford if you want as well to make it a little bit simpler, but don't press Ford right here, ticker symbol FORD, press on F for the Ford Motors Co. Press on that right there. Then when you're in this screen, simply go down to where it says buy at the bottom and go to where it says stocks. And on this screen, you can actually fractional buy, but if you want to change that to a market buy, a limit buy, you can choose whatever one you want. Type in the amount of money you wish to invest. I will just do $5 for this example, then press on continue. And there you go. If you want to confirm your order, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and that's how you guys can buy Ford stock, ticker symbol F in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.